Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Reisterstown local and long-distance movers near me. When you choose a perfect Reisterstown mover for your long-distance move to or from Reisterstown, Maryland, you will be more comfortable with the process if you brush up on some of the things in the contract that may seem unfamiliar. Sometimes consumers assume the mover is acting in their best interest, which may not always be the case. One thing to look out for is the process for handling loss and damage claims. We all hope that nothing goes wrong in the move, but in case it does, it's helpful if the mover has explained how their claims process and dispute resolution program works. A reputable company like 3 Movers won't try to tell you that nothing ever gets lost or damaged. They will readily share information on what to do if you incur a loss. They will also help you choose the right coverage level for your shipment. Moving within the Reisterstown community is much easier with the help of professional movers. Whether you are planning a household move or a business relocation, having the right support is key to success. 3 Movers is ready to provide the level of assistance you need. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Reisterstown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.